Alright guys, are you ready for the morning update? Okay, so here it is. The hip for the hexapod is complete. And as I said before, all we needed was a screw and a nut here to connect it up. Now I don't have screws that are long enough to go all the way through here, so I didn't want to poke a hole through here because that might interfere with the function of the servo, if that's where it's going. I guess depending on where the servo is being placed, it could be this way or this way. I don't know. We'll have to ask Steve, but I guess you could put a one further this way, which would allow it to go through with the nut. Else we just have to get a longer screw. Not a biggie. But anyway, it still needs a little bit of cleanup. Some bits and pieces here can be easily removed with a Dremel, but hopefully, all in all, we've come a long way from this junk and this junk. So that's the update for today. And hopefully Steve can use this. If not, we'll just redesign the whole thing. It looks sturdy. Like even these bits that are the thinnest, when I redesigned them, they look pretty sturdy. They feel pretty sturdy. I don't think it's gonna come off anytime soon. The only part that I thought was gonna be flimsy was this one, but looks like it looked flimsy because I was only taking a look at this part in here, and actually with the reinforced lip there, Steve's original design seems to be perfectly fine. Not a whole lot of bend to it, but again, this is plastic and not metal, so a little bit of bend is perfectly fine, and actually maybe sturdier than something that bends and won't bend back into its original shape. So I think we are in shape. Now the combined thing here was about 8 hours, maybe 9 hours. So best case scenario, if this works out for Steve, you know, we got to print this out another 5 times, so you can do the math. If not, we'll redesign the whole thing from scratch and start over. Anyway, this is what we have, and I'm very, very impressed with the dual cooling, because I was able to print this part here and this little part here without support. Interesting. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.